I would request our chief guest and honorable governor to kindly come up on the dais and address everyone present here. Can we please give him a huge round of applause?
My greetings to all of you. Mr. Gaurav Sarkar, founder of GSB, and Mr. Manit Singh, and everyone present here. This is a unique program. And this program is on a very important day, birth anniversary of one of the greatest sons of Bharat. Look at his track record. He was president of the leading political party then for 2 terms. And that was after democratic process was through. All those who know of history know it. He got the position twice because he well deserved it. He earned it by his hard work. His earlier background was also very distinguished. And then his passion for freedom, his mission to get independence for India made him take that path. He gave us a slogan that resonates in our ears now. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. He internationalized India's freedom movement. He went to several countries. Imagine how difficult it must have been to raise an army, Azad Hind Force, Indian National Army, in every part of the country, including my home state of Rajasthan. The word Azad Hind Force evokes instant respect. And when we say Jai Hind, everyone remembers this great son of the soil, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. These people are not easily born. They shape our destiny. I am fortunate to be the first governor of the state of West Bengal, born in independent India, in the Janam Bhumi of Netaji. Netaji's Karam Bhumi for Bharat was the entire world. When we went to Germany along with my wife, Netaji's name evokes instant respect, instant regard. For some reasons, which all of you can figure out and not required to be spelled out, historical justice was denied to the greatest son of Bharat. But there has now been a big change, and we have seen entire files connected with him have been declassified. Historians, researchers will get an occasion now to get into them, draw their conclusions, and come to a situation so that he gets his due place, which is now being given. Imagine Prime Minister of the country at Red Fort doing justice to one of the greatest sons of Bharat. That should have taken place long back, but doesn't matter, it is taking place now. I have seen 2 Bengali movies here. They were screened for me. One was Gumnami Baba. Every moment I spent for that movie, I was moved, heart and soul. Imagine what kind of a man he was. The moment I took oath on 30th of July last year as governor, I took the first available opportunity to be at Netaji's place. Saw that car, saw those footsteps, how he made good his escape for well-being of all of us. I have no doubt in my mind he has a huge, pivotal, decisive contribution in the freedom we have secured. Whatever we may do for Netaji and his memory, we will fall short that we have done justice to the man. Look at his initial background. He had easy way out to lead good life. If he had gone the way others have gone, he would have been an important part of governance. He chose a way for all of us. Netaji's name is unique, inspirational, motivational. It generates a mission in us. It creates a passion in us. That is Netaji. Netaji is not a title in the Indian Constitution. It is not an award. Netaji, the title has come out from the hearts of millions and millions of people who are belonging to this great country, Bharat. I thought yesterday night about uniqueness of this program, and I know every young person present here represents some kind of epicenter for generating that awareness, generating that inspiration, motivation, and that is needed in the country. And more than any part of the country, it is needed in the state of West Bengal. We are required to have a state of West Bengal that comes up to the level of expectation of Netaji, his dream. I am sure those at the helm of affairs are required to look within, reflect, engage in soul searching. Are we at that level? Netaji, after independence, would never have wanted Bengal to be afflicted with violence. Netaji would have never wanted that in independent India, Bengal should be known only for violence during elections and otherwise. We need to have an urge to restore the golden days of state of West Bengal. Netaji and many other legends have inspired us to have only sublimity, the highest value system, and that is peace, harmony, growth, and happiness for all. We have to strive for that. If Netaji fought for independent Bharat, contributed hugely for it, we are the largest vibrant democratic nation in the world today. But democracy has one spinal strength, that is आपके वोट की ताकत. डेमोक्रेसी का एक ही जड़ है, वो जड़ है आपके वोट की ताकत. वो जड़ जिस दिन कमजोर हो जाएगी, पेड़ गिर जाएगा. पेड़ के पत्ते कट जाएं, तना कट जाए, टहनी कट जाए, रिवाइवल हो सकता है. जड़ें मजबूत हैं, वो कमज़ोर हो जाएं, ख़त्म हो जाएं, फिर जीवित करना बहुत मुश्किल है. राइट टू वोट मस्ट बी फ्री, फेयर, fearless, हर किसी का ये दायित्व है, वी मस्ट एक्सरसाइज आवर राइट टू वोट। कैसे करते हैं व्यक्ति का विवेक है, अपनी मर्जी से करे, चाहे जिसको करे, पर वोट देते समय डर लगे, इस हालात से मुझे बड़ा डर लगता है। जब लोग वोट देने से डरेंगे तो मानकर चलिए डेमोक्रेसी की फैब्रिक है वो टेंट हो जाती है, कमजोर हो जाती है, डेमोक्रेसी की जड़ें हिल जाती हैं। वोट देने के कारण किसी भी व्यक्ति को कुछ भुगतना पड़े या उसका अंदेशा हो, यह भी प्रजातांत्रिक व्यवस्था के लिए ठीक नहीं है। नेताजी ने कभी ऐसी कल्पना नहीं की होगी। कोई बुरी बात नहीं है, स्टेट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल कल्चरली नंबर 1 है, पर जो कमी है उसको दूर करनी चाहिए। कोई श्रेष्ठ मानव ऐसा नहीं है जिसको किसी न किसी बात के लिए सुधार की आवश्यकता नहीं है। हमें इस ओर खास ध्यान देना है। आज के इस दिवस पर मैं आह्वान करता हूं, लेट अस स्ट्रेंथन द रूट्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। Let us think of exercising our right to vote fairly, fearlessly, and let there be no consequences for such exercise. Do it the way you wish to. That is the essence of democracy. आज के दिन अपने को संकल्प भी लेना चाहिए। जब नेताजी ने इतना बड़ा नारा दिया था, तो मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा, इस आज़ादी को जीवंत रूप से देखने के लिए मैं आप लोगों से एक खास अनुरोध करूंगा। भारत के संविधान में हमारे मौलिक अधिकार हैं। मौलिक अधिकारों की अपने बहुत चर्चा करते हैं, हमारा अधिकार है। डेमोक्रेसी बिना मौलिक अधिकारों के जीवित नहीं रह सकती। पर मौलिक अधिकारों के साथ एक दायित्व और है हम पर, फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज। आज के दिन में हर भारतीय को, पश्चिम बंगाल में रहने वाले हर व्यक्ति को हाथ जोड़कर अनुरोध करूंगा, जो 11 फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज हैं, मेहरबानी करके उनको पढ़िए। एक बार पढ़ेंगे आप पाएंगे कि नेताजी की आत्मा वहां दिखेगी, नेताजी की झलक वहां दिखेगी, और उसमें देश का विकास दिखेगा। आपको प्रांत में शांति दिखेगी, वायलेंस पर कुठाराघात दिखेगा, और चारों तरफ आपको अमन चैन नजर आएगा। और जब बच्चे 11 फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज को एक बार पढ़ लेंगे, आपको आगे कुछ कहने की आवश्यकता नहीं होगी। मैं मानता हूं मेरे इस आग्रह को आप पूरी तरह से अपने मन में चिंतन के पश्चात आगे बढ़ाएंगे। 2022 में we have a major milestone, 75th independence anniversary of our nation. We got free in 1947. 2022, we must evaluate. नेताजी 50 के हुए, देश को आज़ादी मिली। देश 75 साल आज़ाद रह जाएगा, जो है उसका पर्व मनाया जाएगा पूरे देश में। उसी समय नेताजी की 125th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी है। वी मस्ट रिजॉल्व टू सेलिब्रेट 125th anniversary of Netaji at a grandiose scale, involving every part of society, right from young impressionable students to farmers, to soldiers, to artists, to painters, to musicians, to bureaucrats, to politicians. 2022 में नेताजी की 125th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी एक मेजर माइलस्टोन हो, इसके लिए राजभवन में एज योर फर्स्ट सर्वेंट, एज योर फुट सोल्जर, एज गवर्नर ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल, मैं इनिशिएटिव आज से शुरू करूंगा। मेरा मानस रहेगा, जिन लोगों की मदद ले सकता हूं, जिन लोगों की इनपुट ले सकता हूं, जिन लोगों से ज्ञानवर्धन हो सकता है इस विषय पर, उनसे चर्चा करने के पश्चात आई विल स्पेल आउट कि क्या होना चाहिए। इमेजिन बच्चे नेताजी की फोटो को पेंट करेंगे, उनमें क्या भावना आएगी। वी विल हैव दैट कॉम्पिटिशन। लोग पोइम लिखेंगे, चित्रण होगा, ऐसे कंपटीशन होगा, नेताजी के रोल के बारे में चर्चा होगी, एंड दैट विल बी अ ग्रेट मोमेंट। मैं इस विषय में मेरे जो भी भाव हैं, दैट 125th एनिवर्सरी ऑफ नेताजी must be celebrated, befitting his dignity, befitting his role, befitting his contribution. I will write both to the central government and the state government. And I have no doubt both the governments can have only positive approach about it. Central government in last 6 years has taken significant positive affirmative steps for Netaji. I am sure in 2022, the two great events intermixed, 75th Independence Day celebration and 125th birth anniversary celebration of Netaji, would remind us all Indians what we were thousands of years ago, and that we are on way to attaining that glorified situation also of Vishwaguru. I thank everyone present here, and I am sure you will have more occasions to be more involved with such kinds of activities. I know the organizers, they are of pure heart. They are impressionable minds. They urge to do something. We must encourage them. They will always have my encouragement. And I assured them when they came to invite me, you will find your governor taking 2 steps where you take 1 step. On this occasion, I am sure each one of you will start doing from this day so that Netaji's ideals are realized on the ground. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us and giving us such an inspirational speech. Thanks a lot.